Hey guys, do you suffer from small bath syndrome? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your bathroom feel larger and how to utilize your wall space. Coming up. One of the first things that I wanted to do to make my bathroom appear larger was I wanted to buy floor-to-ceiling shower curtains. So rather than buying typical shower curtains, I happened to be in Walmart and I decided to go to their curtain section. So I did, and I found these really pretty panels. They were less than $10 each, so I grabbed two of them. They are 84 inches in length. I went to Target and I found this nice brushed nickel shower curtain rod, so I picked that up. Rather than using a regular plastic shower curtain liner, I decided to get this nice white linen shower curtain liner, so I grabbed this. I also grabbed just a regular tension rod for curtains, so I grabbed that to hang the shower liner on. These hooks I found last year at a garage sale for $1, so I grabbed those. So once I decided to redo my bathroom, they gave me the opportunity to use those. So yeah, so I was so stoked to find these. I just thought these were so pretty, and I love the colors together. I just think they look great. I think with floor-to-ceiling shower curtains, I think it can make your bathroom feel a lot bigger than what it actually is. It can make it feel taller. So I'm going to go ahead and close these, and because I have a window in my shower, I decided to go ahead and leave these just partially open to let some of the natural light in. So I think it looks great. It looks great either way, closed or open, but I like to keep mine open just to let some of that light in. Okay, so instead of using this wall for decorations like I normally would, I decided to utilize this space for my towel. So I went to Lowe's and I found these nice brushed nickel hooks. They were right around maybe $16, $17 each, so I got a couple of those. And then I also went to KOHL'S. Actually, I got these last year around the holidays. I believe they were on sale for maybe $2.50, something like that. So I got a couple of those, and the color matches nicely with the shower curtains. Disappear. Okay, now a bathroom wouldn't be complete without something pretty or something inspirational on the wall, so I decided to use this small space here for that. And you'll have to excuse this paint spot here. I painted this bathroom a couple of times, and for some reason, I think it might be due to the moisture, I'm not sure, but I had a 3M hook here holding the picture that I bought for this space, and for some reason it kept falling. It kept peeling the paint away from the wall, so I decided to just go back to a standard nail. So, and what I got was this nice canvas print from Lowe's. I think I paid around $20 for this, and it says, "See your future and make waves." And I just love the color. It's a really pretty color, and it matches the curtains nicely. Now, another way I decided to utilize some space for storage was to use the top of my tank. So what I did was, first of all, I took a piece of this. It's rubber backing. It's made to go under rugs to keep your rugs from sliding. So I just cut a small piece of that, and I got this really nice basket. I believe I got this from a garage sale maybe a year or two ago, and so I just decided to use this to put on my tank, and I just put a couple of rolls of toilet paper. And you can also put maybe like a box of tissues here, that's what I had in here before. Now those are gone, so I just decided to put the spray in here. Makes it easier to access. Okay, because my vanity and my cabinet are very small, I decided to use some of the space on my vanity for storage. So because I like to keep my my mouthwash on the countertop, but because the bottle isn't so attractive, I decided to buy an olive oil bottle. So I went to Home Goods and I found this bottle for $3.99. So I got it and cleaned it up and took the stickers off, and I put my mouthwash in it. So I just keep this on my countertop. I found this little glass plate, and I had this at home already. This is just to burn candles. So I just cleaned it up, and I just put this right beside my mouthwash. And I bought these small cups. I tried to find some a little bit smaller, but this is the smallest that I could find. So I got these, and I just keep these on here. And I got some decorative soap. This is from Bath & Body Works, and it's called Beautiful Day, and it smells absolutely amazing. I absolutely love it. And then I got this little decorative piece. I got this from KIRKLAND'S for $7.99, just little plastic grassy decorative piece. So I just keep this right here on the corner. Okay, now another thing that made my bathroom feel so much smaller was the medicine cabinet. It was so big and bulky, and I just decided that I was going to take it down. I did, and I got rid of it, and I just replaced it with this really nice espresso mirror. One other thing that I failed to mention was I wanted to make this light fixture look a little bit nicer, so I found these really cute clear globe light bulbs. I got these at Walmart. They came 3 in a pack, and they were right around $4, so I had to buy 2 packs. So, but I just think they make the light fixture look a lot nicer. Okay, in addition to buying the hooks that I got for my towels, I also got this nice brushed nickel towel ring. I got this at Lowe's as well. It's from the same line, the same collection, and I think this was right around maybe $16, $17. So I got that, and so I'm utilizing this wall space as well, and I'm just going to hang my towel here, just right near the sink. And the final thing that I did under my sink was I found this little 3-compartment storage unit with a sliding drawer. I found this at Home Goods for $16.99. So I'm just going to store some of the things that I need to have access to within the bathroom. So I just rolled up some of my washcloths. I put those in here. I keep extra mouthwash in here and some other my beauty items. I keep my makeup in a bag, so I just store the bag in here. And some of my other beauty products. And then one other thing that I did was I got this basket from a garage sale last summer for probably around $3. And I just put a lot of my cleaning supplies. Store those in here, and it keeps them in place. And I think, as far as this goes, I believe that some of these models are stackable, so I would like to find another one to go underneath this one, because I want to utilize the vertical space in here. So I will, as soon as I find out about that, I'll let you guys know. But that is pretty much it, guys. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you found it helpful. If you did like it, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and you would like to see more of my upcoming videos, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. I thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye.